Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are encountering the message, please contact iTunes support to complete this transaction while creating or trying to create an account on your iPhone. There are a few possible reasons and solutions to fix it. So let's get started. Firstly, open the settings app, and inside the settings app, scroll down till you find the option mail. After you find the option mail, tap on it and tap on the account. Now inside account, if you have not already registered the iCloud account, then tap on the add account and tap on the iCloud, and here register your Apple ID account. So after you successfully register or verify your Apple ID account here, then all you have to do is go to any web browser in your iPhone. Here I'm choosing Safari, and in Safari search for support.apple.com. Then in Apple support, tap on the iPhone option available there. Then in iPhone, scroll down till you see the get support option. So after you see the get support option, tap on it. And inside get support, all you have to do is sign into your Apple ID. So after you sign into your Apple ID, tap on the name of your iPhone available there. Then after you tap on it, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the more icon available there. From there, tap on the iTunes. So here you can see the iTunes option available there. Simply continue with the process, and now you can see a long description of how to fix the iTunes. Tap on the first one that you can't access and connect it. So here you can see how you can do that. And if it still does not work, then tap on the get contact app or contact the Apple support or report the problem option available there, and simply report the problem to the Apple support and they will reach to you as soon as possible. So that is it guys. By following these steps and seeking assistance from iTunes support if needed, you should be able to resolve the issue and complete the transaction successfully. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.